Alright, my pretty kitties, we're going to start this makeup with a little bit of Studio Fix fluid and the 170 brush. I like to set my eyeshadows with the 24-hour eye base. I use my fingers and apply very sparingly, and this will keep my eyeshadow locked in place all day. Now I'm going to use a little bit of Teddy Eye Kohl, and I'm going to wrap that around my lash line, really concentrating to make sure I get in between all of the lashes. The eye kohl is very soft and easy to blend, so here I'm using the 219 brush to just gently smooth and blend and make sure that there's no hard lines around the eye. This is one of the quads from the MAC Patrick Starrr Destination Diva collection called Sugar Mama, and I'm using the 242 brush in that sort of olivey gold shade, and I'm just tapping it onto my eyelid. I'm also going to wrap this color around the eye, so I'm using the same brush and just using the tip of it to create depth at the bottom lash line. Now I'm digging into one of the other palettes called Heatstroke, and this palette has a lot of warm tones. So I'm going in and dipping and dabbing into the quad, into the orangey reds. And this is going to really help to bring out my eye color as well as smooth out any edges from the lid. This is one of the hot kind of orangey tones, and I'm using the 221 brush and just applying the color very specifically at the outer corner of my eye. Then going back in with the softer warm tone and the 224 brush, which is a bit fluffier, just to create depth and dimension. To highlight in the inner corner, I'm using Reflex Transparent Teal and that 219 brush for perfect placement. And then we got to tack the brows. So I'm going to comb them up, and then I'm going to use a little bit of a brown eyeshadow just to fill in any gaps and extend out the tail. I'm going to clean up a little bit under the eye using one of our Prep and Prime concealers, and I'm going to blend in a triangle pattern under the eye and then finish up with a bit of contour and a little bit of Peaches blush using the 109 brush in circular motions. And we have a new collection with the blondes. This is one of the highlighter powders, and I am just going to brush that onto the high planes of the face, onto the Cupid's bow, underneath my brow bone, just to add a little bit of a glow and a highlight. And now I'm using one of the Retro Matte liquid lipsticks in the Ultimate Diva, and I really love these products for their ease of application. The applicator has this amazing tip that allows you to create a really strong line around the lip without having to use a brush. Of course, the magic wand of makeup, Extended Play Mascara. It's warm water washable and waterproof, and it's like the magic wand of makeup. And that's basically it. Super quick and easy, kind of a fun smoky look. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and leave me a comment below. Have a great day.